Okay, so common myths about renovation loans before we move forward, okay? There may be some folks in this room, because like I said, this is not a new loan program, right? It has been around since the 1990s. It's just that a lot of lenders don't do them well. And at PMG, we have an entire department that is strictly dedicated only to renovation loans to make sure that they are done successfully and they've also done on time. So, common myths about renovation loans that you may have heard on the street. Renovation loans are too complicated and they will take too long to close. This is wrong. Renovation loans are designed only for major renovations. This is also wrong. Only necessary repairs can be financed, meaning that I cannot customize anything. That's also wrong. I need to have a lot of equity in my property. That's also wrong, because remember, we're going to be looking at after improved property. We're going to take into consideration what you're going to build. I can't choose my own contractor. That's also wrong. You have full control of who you want your contractor to be. They just have to be a strong, licensed contractor. I must own my home for a long period of time before I can improve it. And that is also wrong, because just like we talked about, it can be used in a purchase setting as long as the seller is willing to allow for you to meet with your contractor and have some additional inspections made and things like that to make sure that you are putting together the construction contract that you need.